For tens of thousands of years, sciences have been finding effective ways of preventing and treating every kind of disease. Diseases that are categorized under those that can be cured only through divine intervention. There have been so many discoveries on how to treat a particular ailment, and many alternatives have already been developed. It comes from eliminating heartburn by using brown sugar through the intake of corn syrup, for controlling nausea and other remedies. But nothing can beat green tea as one of the most effective home medicines. And by the way, if you want to know which are the most powerful remedies growing in your state, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below this video. Green tea is not just your typical beverage. It's more than a liquid being coordinated with every meal. With these trying times, it has become an integration to remedies of body's illnesses. For most people who consume green tea, they believe it is kind of a miracle drink. It benefits almost all of the body's functions. From teeth to skin care, green tea has already been a kind of general measure for preventing certain diseases. To prove that green tea has become an essential part of a person's health, what follows are just some of the many benefits of tea when it comes to your health. First, oral indication. Green tea is said to have certain compounds that can kill bacteria in a person's mouth, thus eliminating highly the chances of cavity accumulation. Cavities can be a good source for halitosis or bad breath to form. Before that happens, drink green tea. With just a few green tea gargles, you can protect your teeth from having tooth decay. Of course, you have to lessen or eventually get rid of sweets to totally protect your teeth from destruction. Green tea has the properties of fluoride, which can strengthen gums and teeth, and aiding in the prevention of decay formation. Commercialized green tea mouthwashes are being sold that come in different tingling and intriguing flavors. Next, skin indication. Regarding skin diseases, green tea is said to have exhibited positive outcomes in treatment and further care of the skin. Two of the most irritating skin diseases are being discussed: eczema and acne. If you have acne, you can use it as an astringent that can be combined to other elements to produce a concoction, and it is applied to the skin with a cotton ball. It is an alternative to expensive astringents and toners. Should you choose to drink it instead, the effect will still be the same, but you risk yourself in taking in too much caffeine. Mixing green tea with other ingredients like olive oil can help treat eczema. Medicinal indication. There have been a lot of intriguing knowledge about the medicinal contribution of green tea for the body. It is said that a daily intake of green tea can provide further prevention for easily accumulated diseases and infections. Because of the free radicals that are circulating around a person's body, it has become more prone to disease, but not until the discovery of antioxidants, which help flush out free radicals inside the human body. Free radicals can cause terrible cell damage, which can affect the body negatively. With these benefits mentioned, no wonder a lot of households trust the wonderful effects of green tea. It has proven a lot of medical results that are exceptionally elaborate, and more so, being effective in almost all aspects of health and fitness. I would also like to mention that if you want to discover the forgotten power of plants, you should take a second and check out the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.